wait a minute, because why did my crochet boho braids have me doing a double take? And I was the one installing y'all. They say this is synthetic, but baby, these braids showed up today looking fully employed and moisturized. It's got to be the protein. Okay, so boom, y'all, I found this here on Amazon and I wanted to give it a try because the reviews were so high. And let me just tell you, these are boho crochet braids, okay? Pure protein fiber, close to human hair. I got 14 inches because I kind of wanted it short, but a little, I wanted a little razzle dazzle to it. They have soft curls. Bam. That's it. That's all. Now you will notice that I went back to a familiar color combo that I did years ago. Absolutely love it. I said I'm about to throw it back in rotation. So basically the color that I'm using, I have 3, number 2, number 30, and number 27. That is probably my favorite color combo, you guys. Sometimes it can be 1B for that 2. Sometimes it can be 4. It just depends, on how chocolatey you want the look to look. But for this particular style, I'm using the color number 2, the color number 30, and the color number 27. Now let me just tell you some things while you watch me do this install. Y'all, I'm just doing my favorite illusion crochet. This is a full protective style. There will be no individuals, although it will look as such, baby. And that's what we do over here, okay? Actabulous, fabulous over here, all right? It's just gonna look like we have individuals. That's all. But you and I both know, Now, let me tell you. So, the thing about this protein fiber, okay? So human hair, it's lovely. It has a lot of benefits, but that price tag is high. We know that, okay? Synthetic hair, we love the price tag, but sometimes it's trash, especially when you're dealing with boho curls. You're talking about tangles. Sometimes the hair is hard, it's crunchy, it's rough. And honey, we don't have time for that. We really don't. You think we do, we don't. So this is supposed to be a happy medium, y'all. So it's gonna give you the nice price tag like synthetic hair, but because it's actually a protein fiber, it feels like human hair, y'all. And I ain't lying. When I touched it, I even told my husband, I said, baby, feel this hair. He was like, oh, that's soft. I'm telling you, that was the first thing that I noticed. And then the curls, they look human. It looks like human hair, y'all. So if you've been teeter-tottering, you want to try an easy boho braid style, but A, you don't want to sit in nobody's chair for 8 hours, and B, you don't want to spend a whole lot of money, this here is for you. This is very easy to do, okay? I do want you to pay attention to something though. This is how you're going to get it to look very individualized. You'll notice how when I do my illusion boxes, you guys, you want to angle the braids towards one side of the boxes so that you see the hair. You actually see the boxes. Oh gosh, I'm trying to word it to where it makes sense. So the line that you're creating to make it look like a quote unquote cornrow, it's toward the edge of your section, of that box section. So you have a lot of hair. It's not in the middle, going down the middle of the boxes. It's going down either the right side of the boxes or the left side of the boxes, depending on what side of the head you're on, what you're doing. And you'll see it as I braid here. What that does is it makes the boxes very visible. You see what I'm saying right here? There's hair right there. You can actually see clearly the boxes. That is going to give you a strong illusion, okay? That's why. Now, you can do it how you gonna do it, but I'm just telling you certain things you can do, certain ways you can braid, and you can position your braids to where it will look even more seamless, okay? Now, here's another thing. Instead of placing a part down the middle of your head, place a braid there. That's going to help with the seamlessness in the back, so you don't have that big separation in the back. I don't know if you've ever done cornrows and you had a part all the way down the middle, all the way to the back, and then you cornrow your hair, and then you install your pieces, and you have that big gap in the back. You know what I'm saying? Because you have a part right there. We'll just put a braid down the middle instead of a part. You would be surprised how that changes the game. Okay, trust me, believe me, I've gone through many times of a big old gap down the middle of my head crocheting, and was just ignorant on top of ignorant, that's all. But crochet braids are so wonderful, and they're so cute, and they're so lightweight and all the things. Chad, you just be like, well, hey, I'm not about to take it out, so I don't know what to tell them. Oh, dude, maybe I just do that. I don't know. And I know this looks like I'm gonna have a part down the middle of my head, but I'm not. It's actually just it's slightly, it's to the side a little bit with pride. So just do what I say, not what it looked like I did. Okay, basically that's what I'm saying to you. So what you see me doing here, you're gonna do to the other side of your head, and that's your braid pattern. Y'all, that's gonna be the longest part of this whole entire process. I can't really tell you how long it should take you. It doesn't take me long to do this because I've been doing it for so long. However long that takes you, boom, you're done. Everything else, y'all know I had to clean up my undercut, but everything else is about to be your get it girl, get it. This part, 27 minutes. It took me 27 minutes to install this hair, not even 30 minutes. So you got a smooth hour. Hey, you in business. That's including the braids. Now, give or take, because again, I don't know how long. I don't like putting times on things when it comes to the braids, just because I don't know how long it takes everybody. You know what I'm saying? So the install was 27 minutes, period. Now you take all the hair out the packs, hold it in your hand, and you just get it, girl, get it. All that means is you're focused, you got your rotation, boom, install piece, boom, install piece, boom, install piece. Nobody's bothering you. You've already gave the family the announcement. Listen, I'm about to be on my get it girl, get it. If you need me, it's best to need me right now, because in 5 minutes I'm getting started. Once I start, it's over with. Get it, girl, get it. That's what that is, okay? And yeah, my color is just random, but look at that. Oh my goodness, I love this color combo. It's so fly. When you want to kind of show out a little bit, but you still want it to look, natural, but ignorantly natural as far as the color combo. This is it. This is the ignorantly natural color combo that you may need in your life. It just depends. And it's random, y'all. I wish I can give you a map of just why I place which colors. It's random. It's just random. The majority of my head is the color 2. I put a nice bit of the color 30 and a few of the 27. So take that how you will, okay? I didn't want it to be super blonde, so that's why I didn't put in a lot of 27, but I did put in enough to be seen. But y'all, look at that. Look at that. And you would not believe, I want y'all to get this hair simply to see what I'm saying to you about how this protein fiber feels. It feels like human hair. It looks like human hair, y'all. You can look at it and see like, dang, it's nice. It's soft. It has a nice natural luster. Honey, the game has changed. And plus, this particular vendor, they have like boho locks. They have a whole lot of stuff that I'm about to try. This has 100% piqued my interest, so I'm about to be doing a lot of styles using this hair. I'm super excited. I'm loving this color, y'all. This was very easy, extremely comfortable. Nothing is tight. It's just braided very neatly, the base. So I don't do tight, so don't think it's tight. It wasn't any sort of painful process, nothing like that, you guys. And that's it, y'all. 27 minutes for a style like this, and you can do all 1B, 2, 3, whatever you want to do. It's up to you. All right, peace, love, light, y'all.